Today we are going to discuss about the importance of role of business analyst in the field of CRM. As you all well aware about, CRM nothing but customer relationship management. There are different applications which normally CRM applications will be used for. So one of the application which widely used across industries is called as MS Dynamics in short, which is called as Microsoft Dynamics. Which majorly this Microsoft Dynamics majorly focusing on understanding and as well as the supporting of the business teams, followed by this understanding about the kind of data what is been there in the existing business and all, followed by this they could understand what could be the sales trends and all everything in future days. So this is all for the benefit of the entrepreneurs or the enterprises and all, which they need to understand about the kind of trends whichever is happening in their organization and how it is to be performed with. Hence, Microsoft Dynamics is an CRM application which is widely using nowadays across industries. As in when we are using this Microsoft Dynamics, there are a lot of roles be there, right? So there will be development role who will be looking after all that stuff and all. The same way we have a role called business analyst. Every organization, for every solution, for every project, whatever that we are developing, we require a business analyst, because business analyst is a role which acts as a liaison as well as intermediary between technical and business communities. Means business analyst always tries to understand the requirements from the customer end and providing the solutions the way which they would understand. So providing solutions may also be a business solution, something relating to core IT business analysis. Sometimes we need to prepare some kind of reports and all using different tools like Excel, all that stuff. In the same way, as a part of providing solutions for the customer needs by understanding their business needs and all that, business analyst will also work for Microsoft Dynamics CRM application, because the major fundamental responsibility of Dynamics CRM is to combine both CRM and as well as ERP processes, because customer relationship management followed by enterprise resource planning by integrating all the departments within the organization and all, so that whatever the productive information do we require to get, everything can be adopted here. That's what generally Microsoft Dynamics of CRM is used for. Now, in reference to the role of a business analyst in short, we need to define and measure what are the key performance indicators, what is that we have identified in reference to the enterprise itself is concerned, followed by this recommending as well as the solutions recommending, followed by the kind of improvements what are all is needed relating to the business and all everything being a BA do. Apart from the end of the day, whatever the requirements they have identified so far, end of the day they need to understand and define what are the key performance indicators, followed by this whatever the recommended solutions to be provided in order to increase the business of any enterprise is essentially performed by any business analyst in here. Now, if you go in detail about the business analyst responsibilities in reference to the Dynamics, MS Dynamics itself is concerned in detail. One is about data-driven insights, which is something essentially important for any business analyst, where business analyst has to understand the right data, whatever the insights to be provided in reference to the data-driven thing, all that stuff will be taken care of by the BA here. Next, define and measuring key performance indicators, as I stated some time back. Next, business understanding for any enterprise is essentially required, even because organizations and businesses are different types, wherein understanding the businesses and all everything is also essentially required here. At the same time, one must be having a clear understanding about the data analysis in reference to the exploratory procedures, all that, so that when we are following exploratory data analysis and all, wherein there is an option where we can predict as well as prescriptive insights relating to the business, so that it is easy for us to provide and recommend solutions and all our suggestions to the business team. At the same time, understanding about customer relationship management functionalities is also a business analyst responsibility. Along with that, business analyst must be good enough by knowing about the kind of business applications which is being used here, understanding the queries, something like SQL, all that stuff, wherein understanding the queries, writing and understanding the queries is also essentially required. Prior to all these things, understanding the business needs followed by the requirement gathering is also the role of a BA. Followed by that, customizing the reports based upon the needs of the customer, whatever the reports to be generated, that customization of reports will also be done by the BA. So these are the responsibilities which, being a business analyst, we do in reference to the CRM, because customer relationship management, application for report generation for the benefit and as well as providing value added services to any of the business to grow with. Hence, requirements gathering and all, everything from the business perspective BA do. End result is to customize the reports. So to customize the reports, if you do a reverse engineering and all, we need to understand about the data part, so that we could understand what are the predictives, prescriptives, all these things here. At the same time, we need to understand the kind of queries which is being resolved to be here. At the same time, understanding and measuring key performance indicators, followed by data-driven insights, all that. So these are the areas, being a business analyst, apart from the knowledge areas or apart from the basic skill sets of BA, these are the areas which, being a business analyst, one must be good with in reference to MS Dynamics CRM is all about. For more details about this course, followed by any kind of training needs, all that stuff, please reach out to our contact details, which will be posted below to this video. Thank you. Bye.